जी हुजूर, आपने मेरा निकाह पढ़ाया था 2022 में जब अमेरिका आए थे।
निकाह पढ़ाने के बाद बच्चे कितने हुए?
जी हुजूर, एक बेटा है मेरा अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह, वो भी वक्फ नौ में है।
My name is Tim Domino. I belong to the Albany Modulus.
Tim Domino, what does it mean?
In the Christian faith, Timothy means honored by God, and my middle name is Michael, which means honoring God.
Now you have been honored by God and blessed by God now by accepting Ahmadiyyat Islam. Yeah?
Alhamdulillah.
It is again a great honor.
What is Huzur's advice on treating parents with kindness and respect, even when their wishes may sometimes seem unwise?
जब हम किसी को माफ़ करते हैं तो अपनी दिल को मुकम्मल तौर पर कैसे साफ़ कर सकते हैं?
अगर दिल साफ नहीं है तो माफ़ी ना करें।
One of the things I was intrigued by is knowledge of agriculture, and I learned after, just when I left his office, that his background, he has a background in agriculture. So it was kind of a pleasantry for me to have a conversation with him on agriculture.